Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel and thank you for watching. So mano ni siya guys, we're driving in Prescott. Next place ni siya from the city where we live. O niya, pinaka-close kini siya. Mao ni siya ang close sa border sa New York. So doon ra kaayo at 15 minutes away ra gid na siya. Pwede ra gid mag-drive and then mo cross the bridge. Mao na siya ang border diha ang area guys. Want some berries?
Yeah, are they good to eat? I think they're wild grapes.
Not grapes. These are grapes. These are berries.
Wild grapes, though.
It's blue. Berries. Oh, grapes economy riverbank grapes. So guys, na ay berries. Why, it's too late? Berries. Try. Stay there, Kima. Stay there. I'm gonna get the berries. I'm gonna try to. Kaslom.
Fish, column.
Gabi kaslom.
Oh wait, that's not adobe. Look, see that?
Adobe.
See that fish right there?
Where? Kaslom ay dagan ba kay kayo?
That's a fucking minute.
What?
The baits.